Hi, let me show you how to scan photos on iPhone. For that, find your Notes app, and now you can press and hold its icon to find option Scan Document, or you can just open the app itself, tap on this icon to create new note, tap on Paperclip, and choose Scan Documents. Now I suggest you to switch to manual to be able to manually control the process. And if you want to, you can add some filters such as grayscale, black and white photo, or just leave it like that. Now take your photo. It could be a paper photo or photo on the other device, like in my case. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna point the camera at this photo like that to see it within this orange frame. Now tap camera shutter button and this photo will be scanned. Let me just put my phone back here. So now we can adjust its size by dragging the corners right here. So you can do it on top as well. Let me just adjust the size of the picture to make it perfect. And here. And then tap that option, Keep Scan. If you want to, you can repeat the process, or if you don't, just tap Save. And this is your scanned document. So now you can leave it in Notes app, or you can click Share icon. Choose to send it via messages, mail, airdrop, and so on. Or you can save it to files by clicking that option, selecting a folder in your Files app, and tapping Save button on top. Let's go ahead and open Files app. And here is this photo, also saved as PDF document. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.